Hello guys, I am Shakzee and welcome in lecture number 2. Today we are going to overview the cPanel so you can easily understand what are the options or tools available if you are working on the cPanel. So don't worry, we will discuss about the file manager in our later lecture. So for now, this is your cPanel. So where you can access your cPanel. First of all, make sure I have two domains. One, shakzee.com, it's a Shakzee, okay, and also I have the Shakzee, shekzee.com. These are two domains. So this is our official website, and as you can see, I have also shekzee. So this is my domain. I have just purchased it. So how can you access your domains? First of all, write your domain name /cpanel, hit the enter button. So you can see you have your cPanel. Use your username and password to access your cPanel. Okay, I have already logged in with my cPanel account. Make sure I have two domains, shakzee.com, and also I have shekzee.com. So don't worry about it. You can just use your xyz.com domain. For suppose if you have xyz domain, just type your domain name and your type .com or .pk.uk and /cpanel. Okay, you can also type colon for suppose 2082 and hit your enter button. Okay, so for I have my own domain shakzee.com colon 2082, hit the enter button. So you can see it's totally depend upon you which method you are using. If you are using /cpanel or you are using colon 2082. Okay, so I have already logged in with my cPanel account. So you can see you have your two main sections, left hand side and the right hand side. At the right hand side you have your journal information where you can as you can see you have your primary domain. I have my primary domain shakzee.com, my theme and my server informations. Okay, so not worry about it. So you have your stats, you have your disk space, disk usage and bandwidth, add-ons, add-on domains, subdomains, alias, email accounts, mailing list, autoresponder, forwarder, email filters, FTP accounts and MySQL databases. We'll discuss step by step. Disk usage. This is your disk usage. So it's totally depend upon your hosting package, where because I have half GB of disk space in this domain. Which domain? Shakzee.com. Okay, I have 10 GB of bandwidth. So this is your disk space. So physical disk space, like your hard drive. So it's totally depend upon your package, which package you have selected from your hosting provider. Okay, so I have selected half GB of disk space. As you can see, I have my own domain and cPanel. I'm going to access my another domain. So log in. I have logged in. So as you can see in this sections, I'm currently using 21 GB and this is the infinity sign. So as you can see, it's saying you have only half GB of disk space. So in this cPanel it's saying infinity sign. Why? Because I have unlimited disk space here. Okay, so bandwidth, I have 10 GB. If you have unlimited bandwidth, you will see your infinity sign here. So okay, your subdomains, email addresses, mailing list, forwarder, emails, filter, and FTP accounts. We will discuss about the emails, email filter, forwarder, FTP accounts, and MySQL databases. Okay, so at the left hand side you have your files section. You have your file manager where you can upload your file, where you can delete your file, where you can manage your directories. Okay, you have your images, you have your anonymous FTP account, you have your FTP connections, you have FTP account, you have your disk space, web disk. We will discuss about these tools. This file manager is necessary because whenever you want to upload your file, you have to use this file manager. We will discuss about it in our later lectures, but for now this is the files sections where you can upload, manage, or you can perform the CRUD operations. Not CRUD operations, but you can upload your files, you can delete your files, you can rename your files. Okay, so you have your database phpMyAdmin, where you can import and export your databases. In the MySQL databases sections, you can create your database, you can create your username and password, and you can manage your all the databases here. So in the remote MySQL sections, you can remotely connect it with the databases using this tool. How can you do that? Just click on this. So you can see you have your wildcard is allowed. Okay, so if you are, as you can see, I have the IP address. So before accessing any database, you have to add your current IP address here. Okay, and in the domain sections, site publisher, add-ons, domains, subdomains, we will discuss about the subdomains especially, redirects, and zone editor, that means DNS zone. Okay, we will discuss about the email in our later lectures, but for now this is the email account where you can create and delete your accounts. So this is the forwarder. You can forward your email address, not email address, you can forward your email. For suppose I have info@shakzee.com. if I want to forward this any email from this account automatically, I will use this forwarder. So this is email routing, and in the email routing, hit this button, you have some functionality. So as you can see, you have your domain automatically detect configuration. So we'll discuss about this. Don't worry. So you have your authentications, default address, email filters, global email filters, spam address, a lot of options available here. We will discuss about email sections in our later lectures. So this is the matrix sections where you can see your where you can determine the errors, where you can you have your bandwidth, you have your WebLizer FTP, you have your WebLizer visitors. So we'll discuss about the errors, visitors, and the bandwidth. Okay, security, IP blocker, hotlink productions. Okay, software, you have your quick installer. What is quick installer? Quick installer, you can install your software. As you can see, you have your if you are working on WordPress, Drupal, WordPress services, Joomla, Magento, WordPress theme installing. So in the simple words, you can install all of these with a single click. For suppose if I want to install this, click on this, hit this button. We will discuss about this. Okay, you have your PHP pair, your PHP selector, where you can change your PHP version. For suppose PHP 4, 5, 7. Okay, we'll discuss about this software sections. Advanced tools, where you can add your cron jobs, where you can use your error pages, indexes, track DNS, MIME type, and Apache handlers. We'll discuss about the cron job because first of all, what is cron job? If you want to execute your script in a specific time, so you have to use the cron job. So how can you use that? For suppose I am saying execute the script once per minute. Okay, so as you can see, you have your minutes, hours. So we will discuss about this, so don't worry about it. So now I have another options, preferences, not options, this is the section. So password and security, you can change your password, you can update your password by clicking this link. So you can also change your language, contact information, and this is the user management sections. So this is the user management sections where you can manage your users. For now, I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to start from the file manager, so you can easily understand how can you upload your files, how can you use your directories, how can you create your directories, and how can you delete your files. So thank you for watching.